maybe 34, 35.
Okay. Yeah, either Rick or I will, I guess. So. Okay, awesome. Thanks, man. All right. Got it. That's the same one?
Maybe. Mine darted off way behind us, though, so I don't know. 33, 34 maybe.
Why don't you come up front, Justin? You can take your pole if you want, or you want to. Sweet, yeah? Make sure you thumb down on them good then. More.
Bump them?
Move the tail this way, towards me. Push the tail towards me now. There you go. Hey, get on the bump board. Help them a little, pinch it or something, Justin.
35 3/4 basically.
Is that bigger though? Hold his tail good, don't let him go. Push him forward a little bit and then hold his tail. Put good grip on his tail, then just let him go.
Ready to go.
Hold on tight.
He's good.
Nothing that.
Get a picture.
Get a picture real fast.
It's barely a muskie.
It's a musk.
Okay.
You hit it hard?
Crushed it.
I thought it was like
Hey, it's a muskie.
Why couldn't that one hit the bucktail?
Targeted species.
yours gonna sound like a pike too. Too much in 15 minutes? Oh, nice one too, though.
You could register that one. Want to bag it and send it in?
I don't even know if it's gonna go 30.
Yay.
No, you guys can figure that one out.
Okay. Oh, and of course he has every single hook in the house.
If you need help, measure it and we'll figure out how to send it in. We're gonna throw a picture real quick. This way. Send it to her.
Real slimy, dude.
Yeah, measured them. That's your hook, Tristan.
I know. Glad we've been in there.